Alright, this is a simple calculator with just 4 operation: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. So today at the end of this lesson, you should be able to make a calculator with more operation other than just addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Okay, you should be able to make a calculator with square root, sine, theta, all these operations. Okay, so first what you may want to do is to import math. Now math in this term has now become an object, and an object should have a function. Alright, so to call this function, all you do is to say math and introduce the dot or the dot to call more functions for math as an object. But to come there, let's just introduce something. Now let's say print us x for sine. Alright, okay, so this now should now give us, and let's also just say, let's just copy this one, copy. If you've not watched this video yet, just click on the link below and watch how we arrived and we got to this point, to make a simple calculator with just 4 operation. All right, so this is just a continuation. All right, so we paste this one and say okay, so yeah, we just say number equals maths, and then call for more function and say the sine, alright, of the integer to ensure it is an integer, and then say input, so we then say enter number. Okay, yeah, in this case we change this one to x because we want to call for the sine. Now let's run this program and see. It should give us the sine whatever number we give it. So let's say, alright, now we are asked to choose A for addition, S for subtraction, D for division, M for multiplication, and X for sine. So we'll choose firstly A for addition, and here we are asked to enter first number, which is 34, second number, which is 45, and the total is 79. So now let's run this program again. Okay, so we choose our x and enter the number. Let's say x for 45. All right, okay, there's a problem here. Okay, yeah, so now let's say message should equal to number. All right, now this is fine. I'll run the program again. Okay, so if we choose x now, we enter number 45, we should have 0.8. okay, that's the sign. All right, that is approximately 1. So let's add now more operation. Let's just copy this one and say because, all right, and then here we add t, for 10. Alright, so let's just also add it here. say print y for cos, and say print t for tan. Okay. I think everything is set. Let's run this program again and see. Alright, now we have sine, cos, tan, and let's see. Let's choose t and say tan 60 should give us 0.3200 and so forth. Alright, let's rerun this program. And good. Now let's say y and enter 45. Okay, 0.5. Nice. So it's all working. Now let's add more functions. Let's say print us r. Okay, let's say log L for log logarithm, and let's say print us r for square root. Alright, now let's just square root. Okay, and finally say print c for cubic root. Alright, I think this should work fine, and let's do the same for this one. So copy and paste, and then we get we said L for log. Okay, and R for square roots. Okay, and then we say C for cubic roots. Alright, I think all is set now. Let's run this program and see. Okay, we start with the square root. We say R, enter number. Let's say square root of 25. Yeah, 5.0. Work well. Alright, let's run the program again. Let's say L, the log of 10. Alright, 2.3. Okay, so this is it. You can try more math functions by just using the import math, and then making math the object and calling for more functions. There are numbers of functions you can make use of. Just okay, and enter this one. You see there are numbers of functions you can make use of. You see you have the seal, the comb, you have the degrees, that is the converts from radian to degree. See gamma, all of these things are functions you can make use of. Log 10, log 2, all of these. Yeah, 10. So far I think this is it. Go through it and ensure to watch the first video of how to make a simple calculator with just 4 operation, and then you'll be able to understand how we arrive at this point. Okay, if you have any question, let me know on the comment section. Thank you.